Okay, here's the upstairs thermostat control. This is probably the most simple digital thermostat that you could possibly buy. The system was put in by Midway Mechanical out of Albany. This is basically just a manual thermostat system, and so this is the fan. There's just on is on, and then auto is auto. It only comes on when the heat or AC come on. This is the current temperature inside, and this is the temperature that, or the setting that we have it at right now. Let's see. So if you want to raise the temperature, you just push the up arrow, and if you want to lower the temperature, you just push the down arrow, and it will come on. And there's a little, when it comes on, it says heat on right here. And let's see here, this button will change it from auto, and that'll keep it, I think currently we have it set for if it goes to 71, the AC comes on. If it goes to 69, the heater comes on. But in the wintertime, you know, it can actually warm up here through the big windows. It'll actually warm up and turn the AC on, which, you know, we don't want that to happen. So we generally just keep it on heat, so only the heat comes on. And at night, so we're gonna go to bed here in a little bit, we keep it at 65, so we have to manually turn it down. And then when we get up in the morning, we have, of course it's 65, and we have to come and manually raise the temperature. And they said to, Midway Mechanical said to reach maximum efficiency on a heat pump system is to change it at let's see, 2 or 3 degree intervals. So in the morning we'll bump it up to 67, let it come up, and then if we remember, we'll bump it up another 2-3 degrees. If you're gone a lot, you're probably might want to invest in a programmable thermostat, and that way you're able to program it at a more appropriate setting for when you're gone. I don't know if I said, but this thermostat is the exact same thermostat that we have downstairs because it is a dual zone. Because it is a dual zone, there's some circuitry upstairs, and there's like a little computer board that has to figure out what's going on between the two floors. So occasionally, if the downstairs is running and you manually change something up here, it has to figure out what to do. And so sometimes it has to run through a complete cycle, which can take up to 10 minutes before you actually feel any heat upstairs or vice versa downstairs. And if that happens, it says heat on. That will come on, and it will start flashing, and it'll do that for quite a while until it runs through the cycle and sorts everything out, and then it will put heat to the upstairs. Other than that, which is probably the only complaint that I would have about it, is that it does take a few minutes. Actually takes quite a few minutes on occasion for that to respond. But other than that, it works great. We just manually change it, and we haven't had any problems with it. And so I'll keep it back down to 65, and the filter's been changed. We changed it last week, and so those are going to be good for a couple months. And that's about it.